Handle Walmart WFS returns like a pro. I'll show you how to in today's video. And of course, I have an SOP step-by-step on how to do this. Now, first, you're going to go to the returns tab on Walmart. So go to orders, returns, right? Then you're going to go to the completed tab. So it's going to look just like this. And then it's going to show any completed returns. You're only going to dispute returns that are completed, right? Click view returns. Once you do that, we're going to go to the next step. And that's going to be see if any items were refunded without shipped back, right? So this is the biggest thing. You want to look through all of your returns. If it says pending shipment, so they haven't even shipped it back to Walmart, they haven't shipped it back to you, but it says refunded, that is a red flag. If somebody gets refunded and doesn't actually ship the product back, hey, we want to dispute these ASAP because Walmart's at fault. Why are they giving refunds to customers that haven't shipped the product back? So what you want to do is go into the top right-hand corner, contact Walmart, and then you're going to click this option or find it. It's seller has not received return. You can find it by clicking issue categories in blue. So click on issue categories. Seller has not received return. And this is an automated way to see if Walmart is taking the hit or if you're taking the hit in terms of the refund amount. Now, you're going to put in that purchase order number. That purchase order number was literally right here. So if you go here, you're going to see the purchase order numbers right up here. It's very small, but it's right here. Copy that, and then they're going to ask for it. You're going to say, I haven't received the returned item. Put that in here. Put the purchase order number. It's going to have the item. Click on the item. Click on see results. And then you can see right here, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. It says this return is Walmart's responsibility and you should see no impact on your sale. The item will not be sent back to you. What this means is Walmart's taking the hit so we can relax. Walmart's not charging us. We have it in writing. You can double check. This is true. Walmart takes the hit most of the time, right? Now, if it doesn't say it's Walmart's responsibility, then you do need to dispute it big time, okay? So if the return says you should see no impact on your sale, you're good. That purchase order is done. You can just mark it as done and move on to the next one. If it does not say you should see no impact to your sale, so it might say Walmart's still reviewing this, right? You want to dispute it as quickly as humanly possible, because if you wait, Walmart's going to be like, you waited too long. It's your fault now. We're going to still charge you, which is crazy. So go back to step 2. And on step 2, what you're going to do is click appeal a dispute decision. If that doesn't work, then go to issue categories and just get in touch with somebody at Walmart. You can usually chat with them or email them. And then what you're going to do is pretty much do exactly the same. You're going to give them the purchase order, show them the photo that says it was refunded up here. This is when it gets a little bit more difficult. Then you're going to send them a photo that says it was refunded, even though it's still pending shipment, and say, since it's still pending shipment, they haven't shipped it back, and Walmart's the one doing the shipping, you would like to be reimbursed for this refund right away. You shouldn't be liable because Walmart gave the customer a refund early. You're not the one doing the shipping. You're not the one that's giving a refund. Walmart shouldn't be giving refunds unless the product is returned. So you do need to open up a dispute. It is a pain in the butt, but at least I showed you a quick way to double check if Walmart is liable. If Walmart's not liable and they're not taking liability, then it's time to step it up, open up a case, follow up with those cases, which is a full-time job and you do need an employee for. But it is a great way to just stay on top of everything. That is it for today's video and how you can monitor things like a pro. You should be doing this on a weekly basis, because if you do it on a monthly basis, Walmart's going to say you waited too long and not give you any refunds. So stay on top of it. That's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. We'll manage your inventory, your returns, call Walmart, customer service, advertising, design, increasing sales, and much, much more. So you can focus on expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, just like monitoring your refunds to making sure Walmart's not ripping you off, because they will if you don't monitor it. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out. And then